When husband and wife divorce, in that case, naturally, children are always adversely affected. So, what one can do to avoid those unwanted circumstances?
Avoid divorce?
I mean
That's yes. Nothing else can be done. If divorce is necessary, then there should be, according to the teachings of Islam, the rights of parents on children are the rights must be guarded, and children should not be deprived of seeing their father, and the mother should not be deprived of seeing her children. And after the children grow up, then the Qazi should inquire from children whether they should like to go to the father or to the mother. And if after all this the mother has not impressed upon them that she is better and kinder, and they opt for going to the father, they have khiyar bulugh, that is, they have this right to opt for the father. So this is a simple case.